Yeah, she be on the highway with the 24 sitting shotgun. Yeah, shorty got a ticket to the boost train, falling off the tracks in the autumn. Yeah, she be living on the west side. Shorty no pound race, but she alright. Only here for one night, baby, just fine. Baby, just fine. Yeah.
Cheers.
Hot.
Off to the workout grind.
Bye, Goose. We're gonna go work out while you relax.
Alright, we just got home from our workout in Starbucks.
I got some flowers I want to recreate.
Julie got some more flowers. Were they cheap again today?
Yeah, it's like 25 bucks for everything.
It's not too bad at all.
You want to buy flowers? We went for a workout and you didn't. You're so lazy. Yeah. Workout was good, Goose. Okay, you want to walks today? Maybe later you want to go to walks? Okay, we can do it. Somebody wrote in the comments that you're maybe gaining some weight. I know. Trust me, they've told me before too. And you know, you're gonna go thicker skin. People are gonna say things about you, and you have to take it with a grain of salt, Goose. I know. It's really hard. I know. They're called haters, Goose. But nevertheless, we're gonna eat more treats. Sit. Because we don't care. It's what's in here, Goose, not out here. Okay. I am going to put together my flowers. Let's see here. I'm gonna use my Santal 26. This was our candle. I love the concrete base. Use this as the jar. Okay, here's the final product. So proud. It is so pretty. And I think I want to put it in my office or something. Maybe leave it on the island actually, because I'm out here so much cooking and all that stuff. And then I made just like a little baby side arrangement in these. Maybe I'll put somewhere else just for some greenery. What's up, y'all? Okay, I don't know where in this vlog this is going to be picking up, but we're in a bit of a predicament right now, a little bit of an emergency situation.
So we've given y'all some updates on our properties renovation stuff that's happening.
You know how the trees have been coming down.
We hired an individual.
Great guy.
He's been doing a lot of like tree cut down and mulching and stuff like that. He's a one-man show. He does it all himself. Like, awesome guy. I really trust him. He's the one that has that little dog,
really cute corgi.
the little corgi named Tubbers. We show him on our stories and stuff. Well, I just got a call from the hospital, and he is in the hospital.
Yeah. And they obviously can't tell us
what's wrong with him, but they said it's a sickness, not like an injury.
Yeah. So he's sick, and he doesn't have any family
here. He's an older guy. I think his wife has passed, and his dad and his children live in another state.
So they called us to.
The hospital called me.
The hospital
and said
called.
I was his point of contact.
For Tubbers.
For Tubbers.
Classic. Leave it to us. We're a great point of contact for dog care.
And so although it's a serious matter, like he's supposedly really, really, really sick, and I'm assuming it's COVID, but we don't know.
We have no idea. We're just assuming that. Maybe it could be because it does affect older people, and he is a little bit older. He's probably in his 60s or 70s.
And they told me it wasn't cancer related or anything like that. And they said he'd be in the hospital for probably like 5 days or so. So that was my guess. That's just what I assume. I could be totally wrong, but they said it wasn't cancer, which is good.
Yeah.
But anyways, they said I was his emergency contact, and that Tubbers is still on the property.
He's just at the property by himself.
Or they think he's at the property. They don't know. Like,
right.
They were just like, Tubbers, you need to pick up Tubbers. We don't know where he was. Joe didn't say. They made it sound like Joe's asleep right now, or maybe
like
he's like
getting
inundated or something.
So we're gonna go pick up the dog. We're on our way right now, and we are not sure. I feel like we're literally arriving at like a crime scene. We were like, is this like, are we being set up? Like, is this real?
I was feeling like worried at first because I've talked to him multiple times this morning.
Yeah.
And he was gonna cut down like this bigger tree that's completely dead. It's a huge tree, and he was worried about it like falling on good trees when he cuts it down. I'm like,
yeah.
Why? So he was calling me, and I was like, shoot, is he in the hospital because he's hurt, he's injured?
Right.
And they're like, thank God. Well, I say thank God. An injury might have been better depending on what he has, but I'm just glad he didn't get injured here and like nothing happened to him.
Yeah, totally.
Well, you know.
No, I mean, it's sad, and we won't get to know what's wrong unless he tells us because it's medical records.
But we're pulling into the property here in a second, and we're looking for Tubbers.
We're looking for Tubbers, so wish us luck. We'll bring you along. But he's so cute. He's the cutest corgi, but I feel so bad for him. His daddy is gone. He's probably like, where is he?
He's probably chilling. I'm just worried. I'm worried about Joe.
Yeah, no, I know. All right. Well, let's see. Whoa. Okay. All right. Oh shoot. Okay, shoot. He was just working on cutting all of this down. So
he was in the process of cutting this down when I guess he called 911.
And this is the driveway.
But this is that big tree that's dead, and he cut it down, and he was warning me about it breaking this other tree limb.
And it did. Okay, well, we're gonna have to get past there because we gotta get the dog.
How did they get him?
I don't know. That's what I don't understand. Did they just climb over all of this? 911? This is like literally a big tree. Oh. Yeah, this tree is huge. Wow, he was cutting that down with a saw. Holy crap, that's the biggest tree I've ever seen.
He called me earlier this morning when he was gonna cut this down. He like knows it's really dangerous. I showed this in a clip before.
Yeah.
And he was worried it was gonna like knock that branch and break it.
Yeah.
That's what he was worried about when he called me.
And it did.
But it's fine.
Alright, so here's this tractor. Yeah, it doesn't look like an injury or anything.
No.
Tubbers. Oh, I should have gotten the leash. He's probably not gonna come with us.
He will.
He'll be scared. Tubbers!
I'm also thinking like maybe Tubbers is like with a neighbor.
I know. We'll see. You'd think he'd probably go to the car, right? Because that's what he's familiar with. Tubbers?
Hey, Tubbers.
Is he in there?
Hey, buddy. Come on.
Where is he? Oh.
Come on, buddy.
Hi. Are you okay?
I bet he ran in here and grabbed some. He probably left this door open because he probably called from here.
Are you okay, buddy? Should we go on the other side? Do you want to come with us? We'll take care of you. Promise. Good job. Yeah. Hi. It's okay. Everything's gonna be okay, okay? They're gonna take care of your dad and you're gonna come to our house. It's gonna be really fun. Okay? It's gonna be so fun. You're cute. Tubbers is secured. Tubbers. He's going to look for his dad. Oh. Tubbers. There's nobody over there. I'm so sorry. He's confused. He's like, where's my dad? Where's my dad? It's okay. We'll take care of you. I know. It's alright. It's gonna be okay. We're gonna be friends. I promise. I'm nice. Tubbers, we gotta go.
Let's go.
You gotta keep going all the way.
Come on.
And I, you're like, who are you? But we gotta do it. I know that's your dad's tractor. That's your dad's tractor.
Go. I need to get in here to grab my keys.
Trying to look for the keys just so no one can take this bobcat. Not that they would, but you never know. Tubbs, you could probably go underneath this part. You can do it. Come on, buddy. Come here. Good job. You did that. Okay, let's go. We're getting in the car. You're definitely not going to jump up because your legs are way too short. Yeah, I don't think he can jump that high, do you?
Come on. Can you come on?
He's a corgi.
Come on. You got it. Come on.
Oh my god, that was a good jump. Yeah, that's perfect. Cutie pie. Good job. Tubbers, welcome to the Havens residence. Ooh, this is fun. Okay, no, come this way. We're gonna go outside. Come here. This is our house. We do treats every morning at 8 a.m. If you're late, you're not getting one. Goosey, you be nice to Tubbers.
Let's go.
Come on, Tubbers.
Oh, let's go. Come on, out.
Come on, let's go outside, kids. Oh my goodness. Luckily, they've met before and they get along pretty well.
No.
No, don't be on the plants. Oh, you gotta mark it, of course. Gotta go to the bathrooms. This is where we go to the bathrooms. Right here. Update. My guy's brother is gonna come pick up Tubbers. Kind of sad about it, but you want a treat? Okay, let's go. Tubbers, sit. Do you know how to sit? Tubbers, do you know how to sit? Sit. Okay, that's okay. Oh, yummy. Goose, I'm gonna give you one because you're such a nice boy to our guests. Yeah, he's a good manners. Okay, Tubbers, how about one more? How about a greenie? That's a fun one. You could take it and go chew it somewhere special in the house. That's what Goose likes to do.
Alright.
See, he likes to take it. You go take it somewhere fun. So for the giveaways, I have put together 5 different beauty boxes, one for each day of vlog week, and they are filled with all of my favorite brands: Laura Mercier, Ole Henriksen, Sephora Collection, e.l.f. We've got Charlotte Tilbury in here, some Dripping Gold, which is my favorite tanner, more beautiful skincare from Pharmacy, Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette, Verb hair care. So I tried to make sure that there was like a good mixture of brands in every single box. So these are all the boxes for this week, and you guys will win any one of these. There's no particular day that, you know, each one. So just enter all of them and we will put the requirements for today's giveaway on the screen. Take a bath. Oh my god, that is so comfy. You are gonna be clean.
Where's in the tub?
We're gonna try and put Tubbers on Goose's bed. He's kind of nervous. He's like prancing around because he can't figure it out. On the bed. There we go. Oh, is that a ball for you? That is nice. That's a good spot. Yeah, you lay there anytime you want. Friends. Oh my gosh. 2 beautiful dogs. Goose is like, who are you?
His tail. Goose is like the suburban kid, and Tubbers is like the country boy. He's like, what's a bed? He's got fleas all over him. Goose is like, this is my bed. I only sleep on it when it's a blanket. Yeah. I normally sleep on my mom and dad's bed.
Is this even on the top bunk? Like,
yeah.
My friends are over, over here.
And you could have the bottom bunk if you wanted. This is where we can get treats. Spoiled brat.
We told you, I just spoke to Joe. Did we tell him?
Oh, no.
So, Joe, the guy, I just spoke to Tubber's dad. He called me from the hospital, and he had a heart attack today.
So sad.
He had a heart attack.
He said his first one
This is his first heart attack ever, and he thinks he got like overheated. He said he drank water all day, but he said he thinks he got like too hot.
Really?
Yeah.
I wonder if they'll tell him.
But he's fine.
It's heat exhaustion or something.
He said that he'll be at the hospital for 48 hours.
Okay.
So it's not too bad.
Of course, he's like a type of guy that wouldn't want to stay in the hospital.
No.
Yeah.
But he's okay. So, it's good news. The bad news is that his brother's coming to pick up Tubbers, and we only have 30 minutes left with him.
What did you say about Tubbers?
Well, he called me and was like, hey, so that tree, I'm gonna go ahead and have Roger come pick that tree, and he started going into stuff. I was like, dude, like, chill, like, there's no rush, like, you take care of yourself.
Were you like, did he even call and say, hey, I'm at the hospital? Or
he called, he's like, hey, I got some bad news. He's like, well, yeah, what happened, man? Everything okay? I have Tubbers with me. He's like, oh, okay, good. He's like, yeah, I had a heart attack. Right after he said it, he's like, I'm gonna call Roger, and Roger's gonna come and take it, he's gonna move that tree out of the way, and whatever. And I was like, dude, don't even think about that right now. Like, I'm glad you're okay. I was like, there's no time, like, this isn't time sensitive by any means. Like, you can carry on weeks from now if you want. So.
Okay, good.
If he wants, like, if he's like,
yeah,
if he's better. I'm not gonna let him work on the property. He's like,
yeah,
whatever. But I probably am. Usually, like, this type of stuff, or at least with him, you pay him after his job's done. I might pay him, like, for what he's done up to this point.
Like right now?
Yeah, just to like so pay him up to like his daily
he has,
wage.
Like, medical bills or something?
Yeah. And just so he doesn't feel like he has to finish the job before he gets paid.
True.
You know.
Yeah.
Eating
dinner, having
dinner, and
salmon veggie bowls. He's kind of anxious.
You think he can help?
For sure. The dog's. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Your paw came off the ground when you did it.